Welcome back to Wholesaling Quickies, the series where I try to get my idea out before your attention span disappears. Today we're going to be talking about, do people even know what you do? I talk to wholesalers all the time, and they're like, man, I can't wait to be like you, RJ. I can't wait to get deals in all 50 states and close deals and make $100,000 a month. Yet they never actually talk about what they're doing in their business. We live in the time and age where social media, you should be letting everybody know what it is you're doing on a daily basis. People are like, I'm going to wait until I'm successful to start talking about it. Why? Why not just share reality? Why not just make a post every single day and say, this is what I did? It's not that damn hard to pick the phone up and say, yo, today was great. Or, hey, today sucked. No one answers the phone and I left a bunch of voicemails. Whatever it is. Because over the course of time, what happens is people start associating you as the real estate expert. When needs come up in their life, they're going to reach out to you to solve their problems. It's a free way for you to get deals. It still happens to this day. I go all the way back to 2023 when I did the 50-50-50. I got 13 signed contracts from social media. People watching me talk to other sellers, they said, you know what? Maybe I should reach out to that guy and let him buy my piece of real estate. I get deals all the time from other wholesalers saying, I watched a video of RJ dispoing a deal. I heard RJ talk about doing a deal in Florida or Utah or California. Maybe I should reach out to RJ and JV and let him dispo the deal. Free deals. All because I'm not afraid to turn on a camera and talk about what I do. Are you turning on the lights inside of your business, or are you waiting for this magical day where you're going to say, I've made it? Now I can start telling people what it is I do and why. Truly think about how asinine that is. Why not just start talking about it? It doesn't matter what business Cassie and I have been running for the past 15 years. I've talked about it, and it has generated revenue. I talk about it on social media. I talk about it when I'm around friends. I talk about it when I'm around family. I'm obsessed with my business and making sure that it is constantly filling my life with the money that I need to create my reality that I desire. Case in point, my son's travel hockey team, we rode on a bus from Fort Worth, Texas, all the way to St. Louis, Missouri. Now, there was a lot of time where there was a conversation going on, but eventually, me and a couple of the dads started talking, and there was a dad on that bus that's known me for a while. He started asking questions. Hey, I've seen you post about real estate. What is it that you do? So, hey, I'm talking about it. I wholesale, nationwide virtual wholesale. What does that mean? I do marketing in all 50 states. We don't ever go see the properties. We don't buy them. We don't take them down. I'm coaching them and explaining to them what wholesaling is. Lo and behold, a month and a half later, he calls me on a random Saturday afternoon. Hey, my parents need to sell their house and it's physically distressed. It needs work. What could you offer? Turn on the lights. Free business will come your way. All right, guys, that's our episode of Wholesaling Quickies. Show me some love. Like today's video. We'll see you guys tomorrow.